What do you, what's the place that make sure that these heritage trust? Thank you. I think they should fix up this place now.
Yeah,
This
there's a
place
lot of
has full of potential.
no need.
Yeah, fix it up and as a tourist attraction.
Mhm.
You wanna go on the roof? We're looking somewhere else. Come this way. It's not bad. No, it's on the. Oh no, over here, over here. It's a hole. Yeah, but this
What
is
chair
the
come
place
in?
where your light fixture was, like a chandelier. So it was already cut off like perfect circle. Yeah, yeah. So I suspect.
Come on now. Lock them in the cellar. Slave quarters. Basement. Is that mold? What is that?
Those look
Oh, no,
like
it's the paint.
these look like stalactites that's developing. Yeah.
Is that from the moisture? Or
Yeah, so the water infiltrating through this limestone and you can know that this has been here for quite some time.
Wow, so this is
Yeah.
gonna turn into a cave at one point.
Pretty much,
Yeah.
yeah. Good observation.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Whoa!
Put the light on.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's a big bat.
that's a bat.
Yep, that's a big bat.
Where are we still?
Yeah, the light. This place is big, man.
Yeah, this is like a bath. Because you can see that they sit down in it.
Wow.
So he ran away?
He's still there. You
He's
can-
still there? Where?
Oh, look.
Oh, but
Oh, snap. Look at this pool. Did you see this?
Yeah, that's what we were saying. Most likely it's like a bath. Because it looks like you have steps that you go down.
Yeah, I
And
see
they
the,
probably
see
said
the
it's like a
pipe right
bath
there.
where
So.
they would actually bathe.
Interesting.
Or,
There's a lot of thought put into this.
yeah.
Into this architecture here.
Yeah, I see that, the crystals.
Mom, you know what? Let's get out.
I love this.
Look at this part.
Like salt. Is there another bath?
No, but this looks like a part where they can put people into a quarters. Like them lock.
Yeah, it's salt and
Yeah,
something.
so it's like you have the limestone that is being it's precipitate of limestone. So it's like the cave deposit, stalactite, stalagmite, that's what it's forming.
Yeah.
Plumbing, electricity.
I want to see the baths. Where? Because I hear him big man use some hot air in the room. You go first. You go back to right?
This is a pipe, this is a water pipe. It's a water pipe. That's the water pipe.
The no more the technology. It's not true.
Yes,
Mhm.
reading about it says because if it's seawater and you destroy the structure.
Who put you what in?
The man with seawater in the cement to mix it.
Kina, you're not even going there.
I'm good, sir.
You go there, you sure? Really?
Because you too close to this outside. Come back.